No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I can see the daily challenge input and the cookie banner blocking the bottom, so I will accept cookies, focus the search box, and start with a broad famous title to get structured feedback fast. I'm stopping after the query so the next step can precisely select the correct drop-down row and then click Guess. Type card is red for The Godfather, which is a movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther and arrow up, so the target is newer than 1972. Rating is within 0.5 and arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 9.2. Overlapping genres are crime and drama. No actors overlap among Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan. No director overlap for Francis Ford Coppola. Constraints: avoid repeating The Godfather. The answer is a TV series. It is later than 1972, it is a crime drama, and its IMDb rating is below 9.2, but close. Type card is red on the latest feedback row, so target medium equals TV series because The Godfather is a movie. The target is newer than 1972 and has a slightly lower rating than 9.2, with crime and drama overlap and no actor or director overlap from The Godfather. Breaking Bad is a strong TV crime drama candidate with a very high but slightly lower IMDb rating, so I will submit it to get tighter year, rating, and cast overlap feedback. Type card is green for Breaking Bad, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther with arrow down, so the target is older than 2008. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 9.5. Overlapping genres are comedy only, crime, drama, and thriller are not on target. No actors overlap among Bryan Cranston, Aaron Paul, Anna Gunn, Dean Norris, and Betsy Brandt. No director overlap for Michelle MacLaren or Adam Bernstein. Constraints: avoid repeating Breaking Bad. The answer is a TV series. It's older than 2008, it has comedy, its rating is just under 9.5, and it likely is not crime, drama, or thriller. Type card is green on the latest feedback row, so target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2008, rated slightly lower than 9.5, and the only clear genre overlap is comedy, with no actor or director overlap from Breaking Bad. Friends is a high-rated pre-2008 TV comedy and should sharply test whether the target is a sitcom or comedy series. Type card is green for Friends, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther with arrow up, so the target is newer than 1994. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.9. Overlapping genres are comedy green and romance gray, so comedy is on target and romance is not. No actors overlap among Jennifer Aniston, Courteney Cox, Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc, and Matthew Perry. No directors overlap for Gary Halvorson or Kevin Bright. Constraints: avoid repeating Friends. The answer is a TV series. It is after 1994 but before 2008. From prior feedback, it includes comedy but not romance, and its IMDb rating is between about 8.4 and 8.8. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. From the latest row, the target is newer than 1994, rated slightly lower than 8.9, and has comedy but not romance. For earlier feedback, it is older than 2008 and likely not crime or drama. The Office is a strong 2005 TV comedy candidate in the right year and rating band, so this guess should narrow year and cast overlap quickly. Type card is green for The Office, which is a TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is within 2 with arrow down, so the target is slightly older than 2005, likely 2003 or 2004. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 9.0. Overlapping genres show comedy green. All shown actors Steve Carell, Jenna Fisher, John Krasinski, Rainn Wilson, and Leslie David Baker are not highlighted, so no actor overlap. Directors Paul Feig and Randall Einhorn are also not highlighted, so no director overlap. Constraints: avoid repeating The Office. The answer is a TV series from 2003 or 2004. It includes comedy. Its IMDb rating is a bit under 9.0, and it does not share these Office actors or directors. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The latest feedback says the target is a TV comedy, slightly older than 2005, with rating slightly lower than 9.0 and no overlap with the Office cast or directors. Arrested Development is a different 2003 comedy in the exec U window, and I am varying the interaction pattern by using Enter only to accept the highlighted drop-down row before clicking the Guess button to submit. Type card is green for Arrested Development, which is a TV series, so target median equals TV. Years within 2 with arrow up, so the target is slightly newer than 2003, likely 2004 or 2005. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.7. Overlapping genres show comedy green. No actors overlap among Jason Bateman, Michael Cera, and Portia de Rossi that are visible, and no director overlap for Troy Miller or Mitchell Hurwitz. Constraints: avoid repeating Arrested Development. The answer is a TV series from 2004 or 2005. It includes comedy. Its IMDb rating is a bit below 8.7, and it does not share these visible Arrested Development actors or directors. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The latest feedback says the target is a TV comedy, slightly older than 2003, rated slightly lower than 9.0, and its IMDb rating is between about 8.4 and 8.8. Constraints: avoid repeating Arrested Development. The answer is a TV series from 2004 or 2005. It includes comedy. Its IMDb rating is a bit below 8.7, and it does not share these visible Arrested Development actors or directors. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The newest feedback row now gives a green year card for 2003, a comedy overlap, and rating arrow up from 8.6 to the target is a 2003 TV comedy with rating higher than 8.6. Curb Your Enthusiasm is a strong nearby candidate because it is a 2000s TV comedy with high rating, and this guess may reveal actor or director overlap if the exact 2003 clue from the screenshot is misleading or partial. Type card is green for Curb Your Enthusiasm, which is a TV series, so target median equals TV. Year is farther with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2000. Rating is green same, so the target rating is exactly 8.8. Overlapping genres show comedy green. None of the visible actors Larry David, Cheryl Hines, Jeff Garlin, Susie Essman, and JB Smoove are highlighted, and neither director Jeff Schaffer nor Robert B. White is highlighted, so there are no visible actor or director overlaps. Constraints: avoid repeating Curb Your Enthusiasm. The answer is a TV series. It is newer than 2000, it is a comedy, its IMDb rating is exactly 8.8, and it shares none of those visible Curb cast or directors. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The latest feedback clearly shows year red with an up arrow from 2000, exact rating 8.8 in green, and comedy overlap, so the target is a newer and 2000 TV comedy rated exactly 8.8. South Park fits TV, comedy, and 8.8 with a post-2000 start year check relative to the current clue, making it a strong discriminator before hints become mandatory. Type card is green for South Park, which is a TV series, so target median equals TV. Year is farther with arrow up, so the target is newer than 1997. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow up, so the target rating is slightly higher than 8.7. Overlapping genres are comedy green and animation gray, so comedy is on target and animation is not. No actors overlap among Trey Parker, Matt Stone, Isaac Hayes, Mona Marshall, and April Stewart, and no directors overlap for Trey Parker or Eric Stuff. Constraints: avoid repeating South Park. The answer is a TV series newer than 1997. It includes comedy, but not animation. Its indie rating is 8.8 from the earlier exact clue, and it shares none of these South Park actors or directors. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The visible latest feedback shows the target is newer than 1997, as exact rating 8.8 for earlier includes comedy and is not animation. Entourage is a meaningfully different 2004 live-action TV comedy with IMDb 8.8, fitting the strongest constraints better than the animated and older options tried so far. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The newest visible row for Entourage shows exact year 2004, rating higher than 8.4, comedy overlap, and drama not on target, which tightens the target to a 2004 TV comedy with rating likely around 8.8 and no extra drama tag. I am also using the available hint control first because we are deep in the run, then guessing extras, a 2004 TV comedy rated 8.8 that fits the refined constraints better than prior picks. Type card is green on the visible latest feedback row, so target median equals TV series. Entourage gives exact year 2004, rating arrow up from 8.4, comedy overlap, drama not overlapping, and the revealed actor hint is Reddy Rush, which strongly points to extras. Extras is a 2005 TV comedy starring a character named Reddy Rush, so this is the best high confidence finishing guess. Type card is green, so target median equals TV series. The visible latest feedback row says the target year is exactly 2004, rating is higher than 8.4, comedy overlaps, drama does not, and the actor hint is Reddy Rush, which points toward a British comedy ecosystem around 2004 rather than Entourage. The IK Crowd is a distinct 2006 TV comedy to test whether the year clue tightens via down arrow while keeping the likely comedy and UK cast space around the Reddy Rush hint. Type card is green for the IT Crowd, which is a TV series, so target median equals TV. Year is farther with arrow down, so the target is older than 2006. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow up, so the target rating is higher than 8.5. From earlier clues, this still fits 8.8. Overlapping genres show comedy green. Visible actors like Chris O'Dowd, Richard Ayoade, and Catherine Parkinson are not highlighted, and no visible directors are highlighted, so there is no shown actor or director overlap. The last guest synopsis says comedian Dave Chappelle hosts a sketch comedy show parodying race and culture, which strongly constrains the answer to a TV comedy hosted by Dave Chappelle, older than 2006, around 8.8 IMDb, and not the IT Crowd. Type card is green, so target median equals TV series. The latest feedback and synopsis indicate a TV comedy, older than 2006, with rating higher than 8.5, and the synopsis explicitly describes Dave Chappelle hosting a sketch comedy show about race and culture. Chappelle's show directly matches the synopsis and the actor hint Reddy Rush, so this is the strongest finish guess. Nice, the answer was Chappelle's show, and it took 10 guesses. The big tells were that it was a TV series from 2003 with an exact 8.8 rating, and the late clue about Dave Chappelle plus the comedy genre narrowed it down fast.